What's up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and all the ways how to make the money. I'm Wasu, and today I'm going to be talking about Aptos and if it can defeat Ethereum in the race to be the #1 layer 1 solution. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope everything is well. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with us and we appreciate that. Today I'm flying solo and we're gonna talk again about Aptos. Aptos, if you guys didn't watch our other video, is a layer 1 blockchain that is competing with the likes of Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, and the rest of them, right? We called Aptos at $3. And Aptos has done a 300% since we called it. Let's take a victory lap because even in a bear market, we still call those bangers, right? 300% is not necessarily what we're after. Here we celebrate 10x bangers, 100x bangers, 1000x bangers, but a 300% increase in the price of a token in the middle of a bear market is something to be celebrated. So pat ourselves on the shoulder about that one. But again, Aptos, we're here for the long run. So what I wanted to cover today was some of the media hype about Aptos. People in the media are starting to talk about it, right? They're a little late. They're not as early as we are, but they're late to the party. So let's review what they talked about it. There was an article on CoinDesk talking about Aptos, and there was a video that CoinDesk did too. So let's hop into those, and I'm gonna give you my commentary on the other side. Okay, the article reads, Aptos token price doubles in 2 weeks amid strong NFT interest. NFT markets on Aptos are seeing growth amongst crypto Twitter users, right? What bear market? L1 blockchain Aptos APT token is up 250% in just 14 days, even as the broader crypto market grapples with bankruptcies, lawsuits, and a decline in overall sentiment. The token commands a market capitalization of over 2.3 billion. I called it at 300 million. That's how good I am. Anyway, on Monday, making Aptos the 30th most valued network based on the current token supply, with a fully diluted valuation of 14 billion based on their total supply. The price was just shy of $14 on Monday, up from last week's $7 and over 300% from November's lows of $3, okay, per Coinbase data. The move was primarily led by the spot token's price because Aptos futures markets remain relatively muted. Okay, that's a great thing. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, markets on Aptos appear to have contributed to the growth. Data from Aptos NFTs marketplace, Tapas, shows collections such as Aptos Mingos, a set of comic flamingos, and Aptos monkeys attracted tens of thousands of dollars in trading volume in the past 24 hours, with minimum prices of several NFT projects raising in the past week. Some of the popular traders on crypto Twitter expected in Aptos NFTs to surge in coming days. Flipping NFTs, a term for quickly buying and selling an asset built on the network, has steadily become trendy among optimistic traders. Several tweets by various community members suggest. The Aptos mainnet was launched on October 18th to reasonable scrutiny to technical difficulties. The Aptos mainnet was launched on October 18th to reasonable scrutiny and technical difficulties. Some criticized the way Aptos tokens was distributed. Investors and the Aptos Foundation received half the billion tokens issued, leading to concerns that the investors and the foundation could potentially liquidate their tokens, which would trigger a negative market reaction. The team, for its part, defended the token's distribution, citing adequate lockup periods. Put in place to prevent any large investors from dumping their holdings in mass. Our goal when we designed the token was to create something that fairly represents the community, Aptos CEO said. And there you guys have it. So many people are talking about this coin now because they see the price increase. What they didn't talk about on CoinDesk is the BD, the business development work that the Aptos team is doing. Guys, they already have a partnership with Google. They already have a partnership with NPixel, one of the biggest gaming studios out of South Korea. And what I love, absolutely love about this project is that they are going for blockchain gaming. If you listen to the CEO and a lot of the team, they are really making a push into that blockchain gaming. And we've been saying it for 2 years. Blockchain gaming, whatever blockchain and whatever platform gets that right, where millions of people can get onboarded fairly simply without really knowing that they're interacting with a blockchain, but they get to own their digital assets and trade them interoperably, that's going to be a game changer. That's going to be the blockchain that really takes off when you talk about mass adoption. And yes, I do not feel like Ethereum has mass adoption yet. It's still very early in the adoption cycle for Ethereum. And people ask us all the time, do we really think another layer one can compete? I say absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. Again, Ethereum at the max, right? The height of the bull run had about 1 million or so active users, active wallets on their chain. That is absolutely nothing when you talk about the scale of humanity, right? If you talk about the scale of humanity or the scale of internet users, it is just absolutely nothing. So that number one chain, that number one blockchain slot is still up for grabs. I personally believe that we're looking at a multi-chain future. I am still a big fan of Cardano, a big fan of some of the stuff that they're doing on Avalanche, some of the DeFi protocols on Avalanche, and even Phantom, some of the innovations that are going on over there. But what I see with Aptos is really dedicated builders moving into the space. We're personally building a project on Aptos, a couple projects on Aptos. The team has been fantastic. They open people with open arms, and I would implore you, right, the person watching this video, to dive deep into the Aptos ecosystem, the NFT projects, dive deep into the crypto as a service projects, dive deep into the infrastructure projects. There's so many people building on Aptos. I'll finish up by talking about the NFT market on Aptos. In the article, they mentioned the NFT market. You see it exploding, right? There's so many projects right now that are absolutely going hyperbolic in the Aptos NFT ecosystem. And it's very interesting because a lot of the same energy that I see in Aptos is what I saw in Solana NFT projects.